Artoonza.
Hey, little artists and rainbow chasers, ready to unlock the biggest secret to drawing the fluffiest clouds, the sparkliest rainbow, and the brightest sun?
Wow.
Well, today's the day. First, we draw clouds so soft you might want to nap on them. Then we sprinkle glitter on the rainbow like it's made of magic.
Aww.
Oh, and when we make a mess, our tiny mischievous vacuum comes to the rescue. But wait! We've got surprise color drops using funny acrylic paint injections. No clouds were harmed in the making of this video. Grab your markers, sprinkle some creativity, and let's turn this paper into a masterpiece.
Wow.
Give us your like. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Red, let's color together. Blue. Snowy white. Green. Orange.
Aww,
Purple?
so cute.
Yellow. I'm adding color drops with my secret paint injections. No clouds were harmed in this experiment. Color, color, color. Give us a big thumbs up. Color, color, color. Don't be shy, color high.
Wow.
This is so amazing. Who knew syringes could be used for painting? Doctors, don't judge me. I'm curing boredom. Color, color, color. Smash that like button now.
Aww, so cute.
Color, color, color.
Wow.
This is better. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up.
Super!
A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.